Hey everybody, good morning. Tim at Doc's Autos, and if you can see, or as you can see, we are up on the roof line of our building. We've got the rest of our the rest of our purlins to put up today. Last couple of days we've been working on the eave struts along the eave extensions to get those up, as well as start putting up the flange bracing on the existing purlins that are up. We also did get our porch wraparound put up earlier this week too. So we've just kind of been working away on it whenever the sun's shining and we're not working. So we are going to keep working on purlins today, and we are getting that much closer to being able to prep for putting on siding. Unfortunately, Mother Nature decided to rain on us last night, so it's a giant wet mess below us, if you can see. But we did have an opportunity to get a lot of grading done this week, so we're not dealing in giant mud holes still. And slowly it's getting compacted, the soil is getting worked in, and be able to bring in some gravel and rock around the area soon too. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and put up some purlins. So stay tuned for more updates. See you, bye.